Hey, what's up? It's Maddie. Welcome to our new house. We're here. I'm doing an empty house tour today. I'm filming on my phone because I can't find any of my SD cards, which is ironic because in my last video I couldn't find them either. Anyways, I want to kick off like a little mini series on my channel about starting over, moving into our new house. We're renting again. But no, it's cool. We really like this house. We like the space. It's really close by to family. It's a quiet neighborhood and it has a great little yard. As quirky and like old as this house is, I really like it. So I'm excited to show you around. Also, my makeup got lost somewhere in our move. Forgive the camera footage. Got a nice window here so I can cover a multitude of sins. I've seen a lot of different people on YouTube do a mini series like this about them moving into a new house and like doing DIY projects and just like making their house a home. And I want to do my own little minimalist version of that. Take you guys shopping with me, share my thoughts on recluttering and DIYing and being confronted by all your stuff when you're moving, because I think it's pretty common. Comment down below if you're even interested in this little mini series about us moving and making our house a home as minimalist. One of my favorite YouTubers actually, Emily Faith, she has a really great mini series about her moving into her rental house, and I got really inspired by that. Hers is really good. I think she called it Rental Made Home. So if you guys have ideas for what I should call our little mini series about making our house a home, comment down below and let me know if you have ideas. All right, let's look around our house. Okay, so we are standing, this is the front door right here. We're standing in this house kind of has a funky layout. So this, right after you walk in the front door, is what I think is the dining area. This house is definitely got a 50s vibe with some like 90s flair. So yeah, very exciting. You'll see, but it's a strange layout. So there's this room, which is kind of like a living room. I love this big window here. We're kind of thinking about like a big day bed here. I don't know what this room's gonna be, but I do know that we're gonna put the dining area right here. I had a dining set picked out from Article and it looks like it's gonna take 2 or 3 months to ship. So I think we're not gonna go that way. I've just been looking on OfferUp and I found a couple cool vintage pieces for like $100 or less. So I think we're gonna just go that route. So let's go this way. When you look in here, you can see like this house got added on to. And so I think this used to be like a patio and now it's a room. So we'll get in there in a second. Off the dining room is the kitchen. And I mean, we're just renting. If we owned this house, I would have big plans to probably, so hopefully you're not getting dizzy, but like just take out this whole wall here and make this one big space and then renovate the kitchen. But since we're just renting, I do have some little DIY projects planned inexpensively. Make it look a little nicer. The walls are not pure white. They're like an oyster. But I'm probably not gonna do anything about that. Also, the floors are a different color and apparently those are gonna get fixed. My dad is actually the handyman for this property. So he's gonna come and fix or one of his guys are gonna come fix it and make it all the same. So it'll be this same lighter color, which I love, all through the kitchen and this other weird living room. So here's the kitchen. Listen, I'm just grateful to have a kitchen. It's a kitchen and it has a gas stove. So prefer gas stoves to electric. Every window has these. I think we're probably gonna take them off and just cover them with like dust jackets and put them in the garage. Also, this fantastic lighting. Yeah, we're probably gonna switch out some lighting. Tiny baby little sink. Told you it's a little funky. Yep, hello to the other part of the house. And then we have this second living area, which I think will actually be our living area. So the floors will be a different color. I also have some DIY projects planned that my husband doesn't even know about yet. So that will be fun. You can see our little yard out there with more of these plantation shutters. My dad told me that they're gonna be easy to take off, so I think that's probably what we're gonna do. Like I said, lots of 90s flair. Okay, so now come with me into the bathroom. Honestly, I love this bathroom. The pink tile, big plans for this bathroom. I think it's gonna be super cute. I love it. I even love this blue tub. So there you go, there's the before of the bathroom. And let's go down the hall into this bedroom, which is likely gonna be our office space, the closet space, which we have no need for right now, but. Okay, so now hopefully this is all making sense. We're back at the entry. Here's the hallway, bathroom, other living area. Down the hall. By the way, I found this. Somebody just dumped it in our front yard when we moved in. So, little snake plant, welcome to the family. We still co-sleep with our kids, so mega bed. Not aesthetic, but I don't care. Pardon the mess. This is the master. I actually love this little corner back here, by the way. These are definitely gonna come down. And something cute probably with plants will happen down here. And then we have this final bathroom. I love the tile in here. This reminds me of Beauty and the Beast. So there's that. And a little pedestal sink. All of our stuff that needs to get unpacked. And one more look at the living area. So there you go. Okay, let's come back out here. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one.